इष्टानो नमस्कार. गजाली ह्या कार्यावळीत तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे उर्बेभरीत स्वागत आणि 2020 ह्या नव्या वर्साची तुमकां सगळ्यांक हुनहुनीत परबी. त्या दिसा अचकीत म्हाका दिसलें की मातसो लोकोत्सवाचो एक अंदाज घेवन येवचो म्हूण. लोकोत्सवान हांव भितर सरलो आनी म्हाका पयशिल्ल्यान एक उलो आयकूंक आयलो. केशव पळयल्यार दोतोर संजगिरी जे आयज आमच्या मदीं हांगा हजर आसा आनी तांणी म्हाका एक अशा व्यक्तिमत्वाचो परिचय करून दिलो. ते व्यक्तिमत्वा बाबत आयकून हांव थंयच थिजलो आनी हांवें मना कडेन निश्चय केलो की हें व्यक्तिमत्व घेवन हांव तांचे कडेन गजाली करतलों. आनी हें व्यक्तिमत्व म्हळ्यार दुसरें तिसरें कोणूय न्ही. आयज जे आमचे मुखेल सोयरे म्हणून ह्या गजालीन पार्टिसिपेट जातात ते गिरीश श्रीवास्तव. गिरीश जी, प्रूडेंट के स्टूडियो में आपका स्वागत है.
थैंक यू.
और जहाँ तक आपका जो परिचय मैं करवाने जा रहा हूँ, अगर उसमें कोई भी गलती हो तो उसे सुधार कीजिएगा. Girish has been instrumental for the last 28 years working with the Indian Broadcasting Foundation as a Secretary General. He has also worked and assisted corporations like Bechtel Corporation, Toyo Engineering Foundation Corporation from Japan, and Reliance Industries. He has been the Secretary General for several years for the Indian Broadcasting Foundation. आणि ह्या सेक्रेटरी जनरल आसूनय बी ते कितलेशेच वर्सां टास्क फोर्स कमिटीचे हाय लेवल टास्क फोर्स कमिटी जी सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्रीज आसता तांचे तरेवाईक टास्क फोर्स कमिटी आसता त्या कमिटीचे ते मेंबर आशिल्ले. आनी ते मेंबर आसतना तांणी कितलीशीच ही हॅज परफॉर्म्ड सो मेनी थिंग्स दॅट सरप्रायजीस पीपल. ही हॅज बीन इन्स्ट्रुमेंटल in drafting the entire policies for media. He has been responsible for passport issuance system. He has been a member of those ministries like Ministry of Surface Transport, Ministry of Defense, procurement of different equipments under defense. He has regulated different policies for government of India. So he has been a man with lot of knowledge. And त्या दिसा हांव ताजे कडेन उलयतना ताणें 2 शब्द वापरले म्हजे कडेन. ते म्हळ्यार ताणें म्हाका म्हळें, केशव बाब, गोंयांत तुमचे येदे व्हडले गोंयचे दायज आसा कला आनी संस्कृतीचे. त्या दायजाचो एक इन्क्युबेटर कित्याक तुमी स्थापन करिना? हांव चक्रावलो. आर्ट एंड कल्चराचो इन्क्युबेटर? आनी चटकन म्हजी ट्यूबलायट पेटली. म्हळ्यार इट इज इन्क्युबेटर हें कितें करता, कसलें कार्य करता? तो पळय जीवन आसता, लायफ आसता, इट रिज्युविनेट्स लायफ. And that exactly what, Girish ji,
yes,
you were implicating.
Absolutely.
Now I would like to ask you, what exactly is art and culture incubator?
Yes.
What do you mean? Can you elaborate on this?
Yes, absolutely. Sir, first of all, thank you for inviting me in the studio. And
Most welcome, sir.
Yeah. See, art and culture incubator is gaining popularity worldwide.
I see.
If you look at the statistics today, in US, nearly 500 incubators are there which are dedicated only for art and culture.
My God.
And as you rightly said, the word incubator is catching up. It has already caught the momentum. If you go to IT software area, you will find incubators all over. If you go to Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Bombay, even your BITS Pilani, Goa campus where we are sitting, they all have incubators. Why you need an incubator? We have to understand that. And then I'll connect the same with what is the relationship with art and craft. Why you need an incubator is, particularly at the institute level, let's discuss. Supposing a student is there in the institute, he is a very bright person. He has got a lot of ideas. He will come out with some cutting edge ideas. Now, he may or may not come from a very rich background. He may be coming from a very humble background, man of intellect. So, institutes provide a facility where after passing out, you can sit there, and institute provides all the facilities, modern networking equipments, lab, all sorts of environment.
So इसका मतलब जो students pass out होते हैं,
yes,
instead of going out straight into the industry,
yes,
they can start developing in the premises itself.
And उससे क्या होता है कि when you go out in the market, generally you have pressure of earning and all these sorts of financial issues are there. तो incubator आपको फैसिलिटी भी देता है एंड प्लस फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस भी देता है. सो यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल द वरीज एंड यू अप्लाई योर माइंड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, एंड हु नोज यू incubate an idea which becomes a breakthrough thing before the entire world. In IT sector, a lot of it has happened. And today if you look at, we have over 4,000 startup companies in India itself. And some of them are ready to give a head-on to company like Google or Amazon. So this is the kind of support the incubator has provided. And coming back to art and craft, I was very happy attending Lokotsav with you. This is 2-3 days back.
Basically, see, Lokotsav again is all that Goa does.
Yes.
All these years. I'm
Yes.
sorry to say this,
Yeah.
but we are filling the jholi or the purse of people, outsiders,
Yes.
who come here.
Yes.
They are at our cost,
Yes.
they are making the money,
Yes.
but our own artisans,
Yes.
our own artists
Yes.
are not
Making
getting
that money.
what they should get.
Absolutely.
This is what is happening.
Yes. So my point to you is Lokotsav, Goa has already done this, and I thank your Honorable Minister and whoever is supporting this Lokotsav. It's a very good model. So my question is, why can't you create Lokotsav throughout the year?
Absolutely.
This is a platform, physical platform that you have created for entire country to participate. I am saying in Goa, if you create Lokotsav type of thing, it's a platform where all Goan artists, why artists? Anybody has innovated a pickle, a variety of food or anything. They come, anything related, today discussion is art and craft, so I will concentrate there. So all the artists, whether you come from theatre, music, painting, Goa is known for all these sculptures, they can come over one physical platform like Lokotsav has been created for the state for throughout the year, and then you can integrate it with cultural programs like the fusion of music that was happening there, and that will attract a lot of people to come there. Goa is known for this again, and whole world wants to perform here. But your marketplace is permanent, and then you have created a cultural stage where whole world would like to come. So it is integrated. So there is an attraction, people come, and then they will start looking at all these. Now, this way you can help all the Goan artists to develop better sense of entrepreneurship. They got all the support. You can provide all the tech support. Government should consider that. Supposing somebody wants to have a gallery space for more social interaction, then obviously you have created a gallery space where you just go and do it. So it's an integrated platform. So, this will help in two ways. One is whatever final products they have, there is a automatic footfall which they are getting, they will sell it. Second thing is, which has been tested and tried at worldwide, New Orleans has tried it, Colorado has tried it, Mississippi has tried it, and it all has happened very successfully. You integrate this marketplace, the physical marketplace that you have created like Lokotsav, integrate it with the global e-trade platforms. You have Amazons of the world today here, you have eBay here, you have Flipkart here, a lot of people are there.
Yes.
So, you create your own portal. You create your own portal. Goa should create its own portal. Ministry of Culture, Tourism should create one portal where all these innovations can go displayed and linked worldwide.
And it's available online. So
Absolutely.
people world over can buy these things.
Absolutely, sir. And I'll tell you, I was with NASSCOM before IBF.
I will just break your
Yes.
this thing and just cast a very small example to you. You see, we have a beautiful pottery
Yes.
in the industrial estate of Gajali.
Yes.
One of the artists who is very well known to me, one of the finest artists, Zilu Harmalkar,
Yes.
established his pottery
Yes.
in that industrial estate. And I, as a consultant, hotel consultant, I went out of the way to develop him making chefing dishes in earthenware, in
Wow.
terracotta ware,
Fantastic.
and lot of other material where we can serve the food for the
Wow.
buffet in
Fantastic.
terracotta ware.
Wow.
But what happened? Did any government or anybody else
That's
a
a problem.
commercial approach was given to this? No. Whereas you see in Uttar Pradesh today, Muradabad, you have got 3 to 4 companies manufacturing terracotta items exclusively for hotelware,
Yes.
and they are available online. So they are able to market, and these hotels like Fortune and small restaurants all over Goa are going all the way there and buying there.
Yes.
Whereas these people from Bicholi, even the government pottery, had all the potential to supply all these items to the hotel industry over here.
Yeah, this is very sad. This is very sad.
Absolutely sad.
Absolutely sad.
Because, I mean, they have not realized the potential.
Yes. I agree with you.
यानी
So
आपका कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये स्टेट तक सीमित रखने से उसको थोड़ा सा इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जाए.
जी, तो मेरा ये कहना है सर कि स्टेट
जैसे
लेवल
ईफी है फॉर एग्जांपल.
See, IFI is a very different example altogether.
on that level.
On that level.
We can go to that level.
You can go to that level. So
Yeah.
what I am trying to say that you create a permanent physical platform for display of art and craft innovations. What Keshavji was telling, that example is a burning example. Now that particular art which that has been innovated is lost because they never got a linkage with the market. See, the biggest problem in innovation is when you go for marking your product to market, the valley of death is there, because not everybody is equipped with the knowledge of marking the product to market properly, and which makes commercial sense to them. It's a serious problem, and government of Goa has to seriously understand this. They have to very seriously understand this because two reasons. Government is, the two things that they are aiming for. I keep reading all the newspapers. Our Honorable CM is, trying to find out a lot of ways to address two fundamental problems. One is the revenue. State has to earn revenues.
Correct.
Because mining has
Correct.
gone down.
Correct.
You have to find alternate ways of finding the revenue. There is no meaning of always questioning. You have to innovate.
Absolutely.
So that is one. And the second is employment has to be created at the local level. See what happens, a lot of migrations happens, replacement of manpower happens. So these are all economic phenomena. So employment at the local level has to be created. So when we are talking about art and craft incubator, because art and craft has been the strength of Goa since ages. I remember Antonio Xavier,
Yes.
he was recognized in Sir J.J. School, Bombay.
Correct.
He went to Rabindranath Tagore Shanti Niketan. he was recognized there as well.
Absolutely.
What a fantastic artist you had. And likewise, you know, you can come down to Lakshman Pai, who is legend
Let
of
me
our
even
time.
tell you that Zilu Armalkar is instrumental in creating murals.
Yes.
Huge murals.
Yeah.
And where he has done, because of my contacts, he has done this in several restaurants in Bombay,
Yes.
in Mumbai.
Yes.
And today when people see these murals, they are astonished.
Yeah, absolutely.
See, this is the way how you...
And then I can say, Dr. Sanchgiri, who can be, I haven't seen better illustrator than Mario.
Mario Miranda. Absolutely.
What a person,
Absolutely.
what a class you have. And another thing, my knowledge is a little limited on theatre. I was reading about Goa culture, theatre,
Theatre.
Theatre.
right? Then I
We have
read,
completed, by the way, 125 years of theatre.
what a concept you have, Keshavji. Through theatre, what are you trying to convey? You are trying to convey about current affairs, social problems. These are,
Socio-economic problems.
what a innovation. I can say, what a beautiful society that you have. Whole world would like to understand this. How do I communicate through art and art as a medium?
Absolutely.
What a fantastic thing you have developed. So the point that I am making, Dr. Sanchgiri, is we create a physical platform, bring all the artists at one place. Government should create a special fund for linking them with the world market. That is one. Second is this physical place you integrate with the cultural thing so that there is an attraction for people to come.
Correct.
A lot of people have gone to Locoso to see the fusion music.
Yes.
And then they buy something, right? So that is one. Another thing I'll tell you, I think a team from Goa should go to US, and it should be citizens also should go, a couple of artists should go along with the government delegation and see what's happening in University of Arizona, New Orleans, study all these models, and then you come back here and replicate it. Institutes are getting very interested in this, institutes. So once you create this, all these global institutions would be more than happy to integrate with you. There would be the exchange of learning. Peer exchange program will happen. I teach them my strength, they teach their strength to us. And that's how the mutual learning happens. And once you do this, believe my words, this group of artists, group of theater personalities, young boys, girls, and the kind of art and craft richness that you have in Goa, small, beautiful island of Rome of the East, we call it.
Yes.
It's a beautiful place. All those people will not only generate extra employment, local level employment will be generated, but they will fetch huge revenues for the state of Goa in foreign exchange as well as Indian currency.
Correct.
But I think most of the colleges or institutes, they have these cultural exchange programs.
No,
The
these are
group
cultural
but it is
exchange.
on only that institute level.
Yeah, that is limited to very extracurricular
Extra, yeah.
activity. Now, at the institute level, what I want to suggest, I mean, I want to be very candid and straight, and this is the messaging that I want to give it to the Goa government, that you have Goa College of Fine Arts. What a college you have. After JJ College, this is at
it's
par with
only-
any world-class
absolutely,
college, right?
absolutely.
If you go there, these are the institutions which should have an incubator. Other than the physical one, the big one that I am talking is separate. Supposing this institute has an incubator, means they have a space. Now company like say, large global companies are here in film line, in media line. I don't want to name them, but all of them, some of them, if they decide to integrate with you. So projects will come from film industry to this institute. And
Exactly.
brilliant students will get the practical session there itself. They'll make some money also,
Yes.
and the project is executed. Last year, I was watching artists work on the street. I was amazed to see the illustration work of Goa College of Arts students. I am yet to see. I have personally shown it to all of my film network that look at this. Why are you going to US? It's available here itself.
I will cast you a
Very
very
sad,
small
nothing has
example
happened
of
there.
my college where I passed out from Bombay Catering College, where Thangam Philip was the doyen of catering education in whole of India.
Yeah.
she had her own cell of consultancy, where the college is to consult on different aspects of catering, and where the students were deputed to conduct these consultancies, and as a result the students also earned money, the college also earned money.
Yes, absolutely. That is how
This
it
is the way how you
That is
develop.
how it is. So your Goa College of Arts students will get, and then the employer are standing at your door. The best part is that. Best part is employers are standing at your door. This is the beauty of incubator.
Absolutely.
So for Goa College of Arts, this is the incubator. So I am trying to say that government can solve this problem. The biggest issue is revenue. Second is the generation of employment at the local level. There are many methods of doing that, but this one should be treated with utmost priority, and our minister, sir, should allocate a budget. He should talk to citizens. He should not do this exercise within his government domain. I think public consultancy is required, and he shouldn't delay, because you are already in January. Feb 1st would be the union budget,
Absolutely.
and then you will also have your session, and I think he should do this exercise in Feb itself, decide a budget and find out a way to do it. And if there are any financial issues, there are public-private partnerships available. So worldwide, these art and craft incubators have not only been developed by government. Industry has participated, a lot of public institutions have participated, NGOs have participated, because it's a very win-win situation. So these days, things are very open.
Absolutely.
So the equity participation can come from anywhere.
Absolutely.
All depends how minister is prepared, how well he is prepared. I think he should make a presentation on number of employment that he is going to create, the figure of revenue, the dollars that he is going to earn or rupees, and he should go and give that paper to CM and tell him that help me out, next year I am going to deliver like
Sir,
this.
let me just sum up this
This is
beautiful
my-
discussion
yes,
that
yes.
we have had, that Goa today is on the brink of a visionary.
Yeah.
After the death of Manohar Parrikar, we genuinely lack a person with a vision. So, if you are not getting a vision, invite a guy who can have the vision. That is what I ask our able-bodied ministers who are holding several portfolios of tourism, art, culture and different other areas, and find out through these visionary people, as take them as guides, as guidance
Yes.
to how Goa can go in the next stage of development
Yes.
and betterment. With this note, sir, and a positive note, that after hearing this discussion, I hope the eyes and ears of these able-bodied ministers will listen to this and definitely take a call on this subject matter, like creating incubators not only in art and culture, but
Other areas also.
in all other areas.
Yes, absolutely.
With this note, इश्टानो, आयचे हें गजालीची जी कार्यावळ आसा ती तुमकां आवडली आसतली अशें मागून हांव तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.